All right, so this is the rock, paper, scissors game app. We are using the J option pane, and basically we are creating a program that allows a user to play rock, paper, scissors, but it's going to have the computer as the second player. The purpose of this is to practice using random numbers, Booleans, if statements, and methods. So let me play it for you. All right, so it asks rock, paper, or scissors. I'll say rock. And it says you win. The computer chose scissors. All right, and then it loops again, asks if you want to play again. I'll say yes, and I'll choose paper this time. Okay, and it says it's a tie. It's saying that the computer also chose paper. So I'll say no, that I won't play again. All right, so let me show you the code here. So this app, even though it's rock, paper, scissors, the fundamental behind it really is the random numbers and also the Booleans, okay? I don't know if it's called Boolean or Booleans. I honestly say them interchangeably, so forgive me if that's incorrect. All right, so we have our main class here where we're calling the Boolean play again equals true. And we have a while loop. So we will continue playing as long as play again is true. Okay, we're calling the randoms, various strings up here as well that you can see. All right, if win, then it will display you win, like we saw. If you lose, it will play you lost. And if there's a tie, it will play that there's a tie. And then it will run that play again if play again is true, which we have as a method. Okay, the first method we have down here, get random number, it's getting a random number between 1 and 3. It's just calling that random number import that we have up above, and it's basically running 3, so 1 through 3. Okay, then the next one we have is determining the computer's choice. So this program is basically the computer is picking before the user actually picks. So the computer is, if the computer chooses a 0, then it's returning as rock. If the computer randomly chooses a 1, it returns as paper, and else as scissors. Okay, we don't have to call if it's a 3 because that would be redundant, or I'm sorry, 2 because that would be redundant. Okay, and then we have the public static Boolean play again, and this is a J option pane that we have asking if they want to play again, and that's basically how our loop is running. Okay, then we have some methods down here that is determining the user's choice, where the user would actually input what they want. If they want to choose rock, paper, or scissors, they would need to enter a rock, paper, or scissors. If they do not input rock, paper, or scissors, the computer will come back, or the program, I should say, will come back and say that they had an invalid input. Okay? And then it's going to hold that information and compare between the user choice and that computer's random choice. Okay? And that's going to be from the user wins, it's called isWin method. Then we have the, if it's a tie, is tie, and then we also have one down here as well, is lose, determining if the loser lost. Okay, so I can kind of show you these a little bit more in depth. Basically, they are nested if statements, else if, and pulling a return so it can compare if whichever is true. Okay, so I'll play it for you one more time. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. I'll choose scissors this time. Okay, computer wins, and I'll play it once again. Rock, paper, scissors. I'll choose rock. You lost. Computer chose paper. I'll play again, and I'll say, let's say I want to choose. Some people do like lizard Spock. I've never played rock, paper, scissors like that, but if someone put that in here, the program would come back as an invalid input because that wasn't an option that was already programmed in here. So I'll say paper. It's a tie. All right. So no, I won't play again. But that's basically rock, paper, scissors. It's not on a point system or anything. I didn't build it out like that. Just for the purpose of this assignment to practice using those randoms and Booleans, if statements, and methods. So that's pretty much it. If you do have any questions, feel free to let me know. But I hope you have a great day.